People say it sounds like I'm bragging all the time. Here's what you don't know. You don't see all the hard work, the years. Don't quit, all right? If I had have quit, I wouldn't have the businesses, wouldn't have the girlfriend, wouldn't have the crypto, wouldn't have the cars, wouldn't have the real estate, wouldn't have the freedom to do what I want, wouldn't have the carefree day to day knowing I'm secure and my future family is too, wouldn't have my physical and mental health if I'd have quit, I wouldn't have the success, and nobody would know me. Nobody would know me, okay? So you see where I'm at today, but you don't see all the days when I got up but didn't want to get up. All the days when I went to work and made a call when I didn't want to make a call, right? All the book publishers that wouldn't publish my book. All the TV people that said, you're not a fit for the part. All that. All the things that are happening to you right now, the sick days, the illnesses, the family that's pulling against you, right? The friends that don't understand what you're trying to do. The girl that left you when you were going through it. The problems that you've had in the past, whatever it is. Look, you can use it as an excuse or you can use it as fuel. WilliamsWealthCreation.com. Let's show them what they're missing out on.